Hey everyone, it's Ian from Optimize. In this video, we're going to be installing the Google tag from your Google Ads Manager and placing that on a Webflow website in 2024. Now, I'm going to dive right in. So, as you can see, I'm in a Google Ads account. I'm going to show you actually what this looks like from the overview screen. We're using the old design, not the new design, so you can change that in the Appearance tab here. And we are going to be going into Tools and Settings, and in 2024, they have changed the name here. It is Data Manager. This is how you install the Google tag. It used to just say Google tag here, but Google likes to change things for no reason, and so they've changed the name to Data Manager. And so from here, what we're going to do is select Manage under Google tag. Now, this is important because we need to be able to retarget and we need to be able to install this pixel on our website. So we're going to click Manage, and we are going to select installation instructions, and it is going to give us this option to install manually. Now what we would do is we would copy this, come into our Webflow website, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. If you were at the dashboard, you can access your custom code for your website by simply pressing this button and going to the site settings, and then you'd be able to go to custom code. And as you can see, we already have a Google tag installed. It's right here. But what you would do is you would install this Google tag just below your Google Tag Manager. You cannot actually place this inside of Google Tag Manager, at least I don't like to. Usually it doesn't read the same way. Now that may change in the future, so just keep in mind that this is in 2024. But generally speaking, most of my career, you've had to place this Google tag outside of Google Tag Manager just because it responds better. It's not buried inside of your Google Tag Manager. So anyway, you would place this inside of your head of your Webflow website by simply Control Ving or Command Ving. And then what you would do is you would just click Publish. You would publish to the selected domain. And then from here, you would just come back in here and test it and make sure that it's running. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be doing that because this is a test account. This isn't the ad manager that we use for our Optimize Your Marketing account. But again, the installation process is exactly the same. So you would just need to install that in your header and then test it here to make sure that it's firing correctly. And that's all. So that's how you install a Google tag on your Webflow website in 2024. Please let me know if you have any questions. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.